Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from your Tonkeeper to your Binance wallet. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So all you have to do is open your Tonkeeper wallet right here. And then from there you're going to scroll down until you see all your cryptocurrencies, and I'm sure you're going to find USDT as one of them. Now from here you're going to simply click on USDT, and then from here you're going to click on send. Now you're gonna get some boxes that you need to fill information in it. To get this information, exit the app and then go and open your Binance account. Now from here you're going to open your Binance account and then go to your portfolio, and then from here you're going to add funds. Then from here you're going to simply select deposit crypto, and then you're going to search for USDT, which is going to be right there. And then from here you're going to select whichever network that you might choose. So for this one we can choose Ethereum. Then from here you're going to click on copy for the deposit address, switch back to the Tonkeeper app wallet, and then from here paste the address, and then select whatever amount you would like, and then leave a comment if you would well. And then from here, once you click on continue, it will send it directly and you will receive it in moments. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.